Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into Bank Millennium on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the app. Start by unlocking your iPhone. Tap on the Bank Millennium app icon. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or data. Step 2. Login screen appears. When the app opens, you will see the login screen where you can log in using Face ID, Touch ID or your personal PIN, depending on your settings. Step 3. Log in with Face ID or Touch ID. If biometric is enabled, simply look at your phone or other place your finger on the sensor. The app will automatically verify your identity. Step 4. Log in with PIN code. If you are using a PIN code instead, enter your Millennium app PIN code on the screen. Make sure no one can see your PIN while typing. Step 5. Successfully log in. Once verified, you will be taken to the home screen where you can view your account balance, credit cards and recent transactions. Step 6. Security reminder. For your security, never share your PIN. If you have trouble logging in, tap forward PIN or contact Bank Millennium customer support through the app, and that's how you can log in your Bank Millennium in your iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.